What is criminal court? In India, a criminal court is a judicial forum responsible for handling legal matters related to criminal offences. These courts deal with cases in which individuals or entities are accused of violating criminal laws, and if found guilty, they may face penalties such as imprisonment, fines, or other forms of punishment. Criminal courts play a vital role in the Indian legal system by ensuring that justice is served in cases involving criminal activities. The Indian criminal court system is structured as follows. 1. Magistrate courts. These are the lower courts where less serious criminal cases are initially heard. Magistrate courts are divided into three categories: judicial magistrates of the first class, judicial magistrates of the second class, and executive magistrates. They handle cases like petty theft, assault, minor offences, and bail applications. 2. Sessions courts. Sessions courts are higher than magistrate courts and hear more serious criminal cases, including those that can result in longer prison sentences. They are presided over by sessions judges. 3. High courts. Each state in India has a high court. High courts have the authority to hear appeals and revisions from sessions courts and other lower courts within their respective jurisdictions. High courts also have the power of superintendence and control over all courts and tribunals functioning within their territorial jurisdiction. 4. Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the country and has the power to hear appeals from high courts as well as from lower courts. It deals with cases of national importance, constitutional matters, and other significant legal issues. The criminal court process in India typically involves the following stages. 1. FIR. First information report. A criminal case begins with the filing of an FIR with the local police station. This is a formal complaint that initiates the investigation. 2. Investigation. The police investigate the case, gather evidence, and interview witnesses. 3. Charge sheet. If the police believe there is enough evidence, they submit a charge sheet to the magistrate or court, formally accusing the defendant. 4. Trial. The trial takes place in the appropriate criminal court, where both the prosecution and defense present their cases. If the defendant is found guilty, the court will deliver a judgment with a sentence. 5. Appeal. If a defendant is dissatisfied with the verdict, they may appeal the decision to a higher court, such as a sessions court or the High Court. 6. Review and Supreme Court. Further appeals can be made to the Supreme Court, which has the power to review and provide the final judgment on matters of law and justice. It's important to note that the criminal court system in India operates under the Indian Penal Code, IPC, and the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, which provide the legal framework for criminal proceedings in the country.